Hello friends, hope you all were fine. In this video we discuss about importance of forms in email marketing, why forms are important in email marketing and what benefit which we get from email marketing by using forms. Now come to my Google screen. Why are online forms important? Receive the type of information you need. Web forms are unique in that they give you the ability to control the type of information you collect from your customer by providing specified fields and designating which of these fields is required. You ensure that your web visitors are giving you the information you need. Now we see what why are online forms important. Online forms give you the ability to capture data in a secure, consistent manner. Online form offer a range of options for the gathering data for almost all industries and provide a clear way to reduce pre-work or paperwork. Now we see reasons why you need a contact form on your website. Reduce spam emails. Get messages when it suits you. Keep track inquiries. Get more lead. Build your email marketing list. Delegate tasks to your team. Automatically populate your CRM. Automatically start projects and to-do lists. Offer support to customer. Get user submitted content. Make queuing easier with the file upload. Reduce spam email. How can form reduce spam emails? In the intro, we briefly mentioned that publishing your email address is a bad idea. Why? Because our spam bots frequently scrap email addresses from website. If a spam bot gets hold of your email address, it can wind up being added to all kinds of spammy mailing lists online that can result in serious security risk. When you use a contact form, your business email address is never revealed on your website, so it can be scrapped. You don't need any coding or web design experience. Get messages when it suits you. Most business publish a phone number on their site along with their postal contact information. But what happens if a customer tries to call when you are not there to answer? If you don't have a contact form, they shall probably give up and go to the competitor. That's why you need to contact form as well as phone number. WP forms make it easy to publish contact forms on any post or page. Now we click on get started. This is a pricing of WP forms. Why should use WP forms? WP forms is perfectly for business owners, bloggers, designers, developers, photographers, and basically everyone else. If you want to create a custom WordPress form, then you need to use WP forms. What required to use WP forms? WP Forms is a WordPress plugin. In order to use WP Forms, you must have a self-hosted WordPress. Do I need coding skill to use WP Forms? Absolutely not. You can create and manage forms without any coding knowledge. WP Forms is the most beginner-friendly contact form solution in the market. Will WP Forms slow down my website? No. Absolutely no. WP Forms is carefully built with performance in mind. We have developed everything with the performance in mind. We have developed everything with best practice and modern standards to ensure things run smooth and fast. Can I use WP forms on client site? Yes, you can use WP forms on client site in two ways. Either you can purchase the elite license or purchase an appropriate license for each client sites. Yes, you can refer them and earn 20% commission through our affiliate program. Does WP Forms work or non-WordPress site? No, WP Forms is a WordPress forms plugin, so it will not work on sites that do use WordPress. Additionally, WP Forms is only compatible account level is business for e-commerce. You must be using self-hosted version of WP to utilize WP Forms. Now we see the most important question that arise in our brain. Do you offer a trial? Do you WP Forms offer a trial? We do not offer a trial. However, you are fully protected by our 100% no risk double guarantee. If you don't like WP Forms over the next 14 days after purchase, then we will happily refund 100% of your money. Now we see 17 reasons why email marketing is essential to your business. First is that everyone uses email. On second number, mobile devices allow people to instant check email. Email is a great way to inform, consider as important milestones. Email lets you build brand awareness and appeal. 5. Email is perfect for personalized targeted messaging. Email characteristics. Email inspire action. Every marketing message carries a cell call to action. You have been asking. It just so happened that email is a great way to inspire action. You can easily add call to action button in your emails. These call to action button can do multiple of things. You can use them to ask people to sign up for your latest course, direct them to your blog website, nudge them toward a sale, ask to share content on social network, offer discount. These are some important features of forms in email marketing and benefits of forms in email marketing. Why we use forms for email marketing. Hope you like the video, and friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and we shall meet in our next video.